Junk and Fool over here in Porterville. Thanks for stopping by. So we got a little bit of aluminum to clean yet. Extruded. Got this thing emptied out. Got this to clean yet. Snowy day over here in Porterville. Road here is usually pretty good. It's been pretty slick though. So I'm going to take what I got cleaned in. I'm going to pick away at this here. That's time consuming. Got some more in here. And a pile over here a little bit. There's still some more scattered around. I'm just taking mostly the extruded, the heavier stuff in here, and I can pick away at this when I get around to it. But yeah, I was planning on taking more in, but I've got an appointment tomorrow, so I want to unload the truck. That's all pretty dirty. Some of it ain't too bad. Some nice chunks in there. I'd say we got over half of it on the truck. Some of it was in here last night, and put some in here today. Ought to be fun unloading this. Just started the truck, let it warm up. Thought I'd do a quick video. I was gonna run to the yard and I thought, I'll just put a video. This is some pretty nice chunks right there. All this stuff's frozen there, the leaves and stuff. I've been fighting with it and they don't want it like that. And then there's some of them still got the screws and the weather stripping in them, so I got to get all that out. That was some of it I had out back in a fuel oil drum. Actually, them fuel oil drums hold quite a bit of that stuff. Had the top cut out. I did buy me a couple air chisels yesterday. I wanted the one with 3 or 4 different chisels. And I went to 2 or 3 stores, couldn't find them. Went to Harbor Freight and I just bought the one with 1 chisel. Then I went back again, or I went to the farm store and they had one with 4 chisels. So I bought another one. I should have went to the farm store first. It was probably about the same price. You could buy the chisels in the pack. One place wanted like, I think it was Harbor Freight wanted like $30 for a pack of chisels, and I think the farm store was $25 for basically the same thing. But I bought a new air chisel with the 4 of the little chisels for like $18, I think it was. Anyway, it's Junk and Fool over here in Porterville. Just thought I'd do a quick video. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And go find some junk. Goodbye now.